This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 14th, 2022. It's currently August 24th, 2022, 11:29 p.m. That's Eastern Time. The overall theme of behavior, we have quite a bit of volatility throughout the day on the 14th. It's interesting, this is the same card as the last card in the preceding reading. So that price point is highlighted today, a price point at which there'll be a higher point and a lower point. So it marks a good opportunity to, as getting your bearings as far as if a good place to put like a straddle or a strangle will be highlighted today. The behavior around the high, we have a decline out of the high that marks an opportunity to open up a long position. So likely another a bullish day or a higher day the next day that we see. So it'll be the 15th. Excuse me, it'll be the 17th. And then the behavior around the low, out of a decline, we have a notable move to the upside that will stand out on a one-day chart. It will move from all the way from the bottom of a range to the top of a range. I'm advised to trade around a fast sudden move to the upside that marks the end of a period of volatility. In the pre-market, looks like we have a gap down, possibly a gap down here, either that or the same price level as what we closed at the previous day. But we meet resistance, an important resistance level in the pre-market, which we break down from with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. Right around the open, we have a move higher through a resistance level, followed by a decline back down through that same price level shortly thereafter. We have an important price point here in the first half hour, from which there's a brief high right around the open, and we fall significantly from that high to meet a support level between roughly 10 and 11 o'clock that we rotate sideways along. So we'll break down through at least one support level to meet a secondary one and rotate sideways along that. An important resistance level or technical price level highlighted between 11 and 12. We attempt to establish support at that level. Between 12 and 1, there's a notable move here, a notable price level here. This is where that fast sudden move to the upside may take place. Advised to trade in the midst of that fast sudden move to the upside. We have the unicursal, which marks a sharp drop out of that move to the upside. So I'd say likely what I'll do is open up my short leg here midday. Definitely open up a short leg here midday. I may choose to open up the whole thing there midday, but it looks like probably early in the day I might open up a long position. We'll have to see. In the midst of this decline, I might open up a long position, or I may do it here at the end of the day. But here, midday, I'll open up a short position. And then we have some moving out of that decline that we have roughly between 1 and 3. There's 3 pokes through the same price level around 2 to 3 o'clock, and after that third poke, we fall pretty hard out of that. Bearish price swings in the last hour with a notable drop. Right around the close, we have a support level that we rotate along sideways. We rise to meet the closest resistance, and then we tap that resistance and then come back down to the support that we were rotating along. In the post market, there's a move to the upside, marking an opportunity to open up a short position if you can catch it. Sneak preview card for the following day. For the 17th, we have a fast sudden move to the upside. It's nullified somehow, however, so that's something to be careful of. Yeah, it looks like brief opportunity before failure is also noted here. So brief opportunity midday before a notable market failure there. And that's the S&P 500 for 10/14/22, October 14th. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, when you make that money, pay a little bit of it forward, a little bit of it backwards. Whatever you do with the rest of that, make sure it's out of love too. And the universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.